Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I created this design with Canva using just my smartphone. Oh yeah, let's go. Sure, we are going to log into our Canva app. Then after doing that, we are going to click on the plus icon. And after clicking on the plus icon, we're going to click on this because we know the size of what we want to create. So we're using 30,000 by 30,000 pixels. Then I'll click on create new design. Let us start. So once you're done clicking on creating new design, so it is going to pop up our design page here. So which is it here? So we have our design page here. So the next thing for us to do is to scroll down this template, click on the design background, click on color here, click on the plus icon to change the color. So we are using a green color, right? So once you're done doing that, you're going to click on the element. So once we click on the helmet, we're going to click on the see all part because I have the image I used here already. So this is the image I use as my background. Let me quickly show you the name of the image. So this is it here in the info background, green something. So I'm going to increase its size and I'm going to paste it here like this. As you can see me this, so I'll go to position, go to align, click on middle and center. Then I'll go to this flip here and flip it horizontally. Yes, this is exactly what I want to create. So the next thing for me to do is to scroll to transparency and reduce the transparency of the image to 50. So we are reducing it to what, 50. Yes, this is exactly what we are creating. So the next thing for me to do, I'll click on element again and get our phone. No, don't let us start with our phone. So the next thing I will be doing is to get our text. Text, click on add the heading and paste our text. So I've already copied it, so I'm just going to paste it. Then I'm going to reduce its size, just make it 2 lines. Then to color here, I'm going to change the color to white. Then we're going to go to font here, click on the arrow and scroll it vertically. So we are using the leagues pattern. So this is the font we are using, the typeface we are using rather. So we are going to make it like this. Then we are going to just go to spacing and reduce the spacing a little bit, but not too much actually. Then we are going to do what? We are going to move it here like this. As you can see with this, so this is where we are moving it to. So we are going to go to position, go to align. It is already at center already. So the next step for us to do now is to click on element, click on shape, then click on shape, drag it, go to color, give it white, change it to white, drag it like this and place it here like this. So we're going to go to position, go to align, it is ready at center. So this is exactly what you're trying to create. So once you are done creating these, I'm going to go to element again and get a shape again. So once I get the shape, so I'm going to go to corner here and reduce the corner rounding to just like 20. So like 20 years. After doing that, I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to do it. I'm going to move it up almost here like this, move it like this, as you can see with this. So I'm going to try and move it down a little bit too. So this is exactly what you're trying to create. So once you do it like this, I'm going to go to color and give it no color rather. And then I'll go to style and give it that style. I'm going to give it just 10. So 10 is okay for the style. And then I'm going to change the border color style to what? The border weight color to white. So once I'm done, I'm going to click on element again, click on shape again. So I want to make sure that what this shape is at the back of this one. Okay, so this is exactly what you're creating. So I'm going to click on shape again, change the color to white. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to paste it like this, go to corner and then reduce the corner and then first to like just 10. Okay, so once you're done doing that, I'm going to try and paste it here like this. So paste it like this, as you can see me this. So this is exactly what you're trying to create. So once I'm done doing all these, I'm going to do what? I'm going to try and drag it so that it will balance like this, as you can see me this. So I'm going to make sure it balance like this, so you can see it, so it is balanced. So the next thing for us to do, so I'll just use the notch here to move it up like this, since it is not trying to get to what I want exactly. So this is exactly what you'll be creating. So the next thing for us to do now is to click on element, click on shape again, and input our shape here. So we'll be inputting our shape. I'll go to style here, reduce the corner and then to just like 10. Yes, let us reduce it to 10. So I'm going to paste it here like this. I'm going to paste it here like this. I'm going to reduce it, curve it a little bit, and make sure that what it is here. So we are putting it here like this. As you can see with this, so yes, this is exactly where we are inputting it. So the next thing for us to do, So it's to get our text, click on text here, click on add the heading and paste our text that I've gotten, that I've copied. So I'm going to paste it here like this, then scroll to color here and give it that black color. Then I'll go to font here, click on the arrow, then come here to pop in and give it that semi-bold effect. So we are using semi-bold, right, or let us just use bold, right? So I'll scroll till I get to spacing here and reduce the line spacing to these. Then I'm going to reduce it almost to tally, but not too much. Then I'm going to do what? I'm going to paste it here like this, as you can see with this. So this is where I'm going to paste it. So I'm going to go to spacing and increase the letter spacing a little bit, but not too much. So I'm just going to do what? I'm going to move it here like this. So as you can see with this, so the next thing for me to do, I'm coming. So the next thing for me to do is to copy this one, then paste it here like this. As you can see with this, so I'm going to paste it here like this. Then go to click on edit and paste the text I want to change it to. And as you can see me, we are done doing this. So I'm going to group the two together. Select multiple, click on this one too, then group the two together. Then use the nudge to move them up. So I will be moving them up a little bit, but not too much, almost totally, right? So this is exactly what you are creating. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to click on this one, duplicate it and paste it at the bottom here like this. Then the next step for me to do, I'm going to click on these two, then duplicate it too. So I'll click on copy. Then after copying them, I'm going to click on them again, then go to more again and click on paste. After pasting, I'm going to drag them here like this. So you can see me this. So the next thing for me to do is to click on this one again, duplicate it, bring it here like this, as you can see me do so I'm going to bring it here like this. Yes. So the next thing, I'll click on anything here, go to more, click on paste. After clicking on paste, I'm going to drag it down like this, as you can see it. So I'm going to drag it down, guys, so you can see it. So yes, so the next thing for me to do, I'm going to click on this one, duplicate it, bring it here like this. Yes, click on this one, go to more, click on paste, then bring it at the bottom here like this. Yes, so I think I've made a mistake here, so it needs to be 11. Yes, 11. Yes, click on this one to make it 11. Yes, and this one to make it 11. Yes, and this one to make it 11. Yes, and this one to make it 11. Yes, this is exactly what you are creating. So the next thing for us to do, click on more, click on select multiple, then we will keep grouping them together, grouping. Then once we have done grouping them together, we are going to try and make sure that what they balance. So we are trying to create that balance. Yes. So once we are done, we are going to ungroup them, then change the color of this shape here. So for this one, we are using a bit yellow color. For this one, we are using red, so we are changing the color of this one to red. So we are changing the color to red. So for this one, we'll be using the green we use, and for this one, we'll be using a bit light green. As you can see me this. So now let us go and get our MTN and everything. So are you with me? So the next thing, I'll click on text, click on add the heading, and paste our MTN here. So I'm going to reduce its size almost totally, then I'm going to reduce its size again more and more. Then I'm going to do what? I'm going to paste it here like this. So yes, so I'm just reduce its size a little bit again. Then I'm going to font here, increase its size, but not too much. Yes. So the next thing for me to do, I'll click on it. Then I'm going to do what? I'm going to paste it here like this. So the next thing for me to do, I'm coming. So the next thing for me to do, I'm going to duplicate this one, bring it here like this, click on edit, and what, and paste it like this, click on text, click on it, then bring it here like this, and then I'll scroll till I get to color here and change the color to white. Click on this one, duplicate it again, and so we click on the edit here, then change it to what, 9 mobile. Then we are going to do what, we are going to paste it here like this. Yes, so we'll be pasting it here like this. So the next thing for me to do, call me. this, duplicate it to bring it here like this, and then click on the teach here and paste our text. So once you are done doing that, I'll click on element, then get our contact here, so our phone something. So I'm going to scroll till I get to flip here and flip it horizontally. Then once I'm done, I'm going to drag it a little bit like this, then paste it like this. So I'm going to reduce its size, paste it here like this. So this is exactly what you're trying to do. So as you can see with this, so we are going to do what you are going to drag it here like this. Then you are going to go to position and go click on backward. So we want it to be at the back of this, so it is already a backward. So the next thing for us to do, go to filter and give it that fresco effect, guys. So the next thing, go to adjust, scroll, sorry, scroll till you get to brightness, increase the brightness to just maybe 10 and the contrast to just like 30. So once you're done with that one, so the next thing for us to do, click on element, then shape a key. So after getting your shape, click on it, paste it like this, go to corner here, reduce the corner rounding to like 10. Once you're done, try and paste it here like this. So reduce it like this, as you can see with this, so then increase it like this, almost totally. So then paste it here like this. So let us reduce it a little bit, okay. Yes, so you're going to do what you're going to paste it like this. So once you're done, click on text, click on add the heading and paste your text. So you're going to paste your text, click on it, reduce its size, do it like this, and then paste it here like this. Go to font, click on arrow, then scroll till you get to pop in, use the bold pop in, and then scroll till you get to spacing and reduce the line spacing almost totally, and then change the color to white. So you need to change it to white, reduce the size of this one, paste it here like this, go to spacing, increase the letter spacing, then do it like this, make it 2 line actually. Then do what? Then paste it here like this. So we want to paste it here like this, so you can see it. Yeah. Yes. So let us just leave it like this. So let us go to line spacing and reduce the line spacing a little bit. So we are going to do what? We are going to paste it like this. So once we are done, we are going to go to element again and get our contact icon, our call icon. Then we are going to do what? We are going to paste it here like this. Let it align, please. The alignment is one matter. Yes. So once you are done, text, click on add the heading and paste your text. So after pasting your text, reduce its size almost totally, then bring it here like this, reduce its size almost totally, then bring it here like this. So go to what? Go to spacing here and increase the letter spacing. Yes, increase it a little bit but not too much. Paste it here like this. Go to spacing again, just reduce the letter spacing. Yes, reduce it and paste it like this. Same with this. So this is exactly what you are creating. So once you're done, click on download icon, click on download, and do what? And download your design. I hope you learned something. Anyways, I'm the designer that designs and makes money with Canva using just my smartphone. Let me teach you how to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let me know what you learned in the comment section. Like this video as well. You are welcome.